We're looking at homework for section 1.3. This is question number 8. A pharmaceutical company wants to test the effectiveness of a new allergy drug. The company identifies 250 females, 30 to 35 years old, who suffer from severe allergies. The subjects are randomly assigned into two groups. One group is given the new allergy drug, and the other is given a placebo that looks exactly like the new allergy drug. After 6 months, the subject's symptoms are studied and compared. Answer parts A through C below. So we'll start with part A. Identify the experimental units and treatments used in this experiment. Choose the correct answer below. So, we need to know what experimental units are and what a treatment is. The experimental units are the subjects being tested. The treatment is what drug or procedure is being evaluated. So the correct answer here is choice D. The experimental units are the 30 to 35-year-old females being given the treatment. The treatment is the new allergy drug. So that's your answer to part A. Let's move on to part B. Part B is identify a potential problem with the experiment design being used and suggest a way to improve it. Choose the correct answer below. Well, in this study, we're never told that it's a double-blind experiment. We just know that there's a control group and a test group. So if the researcher knows which drug was applied to the patient, he or she may interpret the results in a different manner. So the correct choice here is choice A. There may be a bias on the part of the researcher if the researcher knows which patients were given the real drug. Sometimes people will also want to choose D. There may be a bias on the part of the experiment since only females are being tested. But that's not really a bias because it's possible that the drug being tested is only for women. There are drugs on the market that are gender specific. So we can't really include that in potential biases. Let's move on to part C. Part C is how could this experiment be designed to be a double-blind experiment? Choose the correct answer below. So let's go ahead and review what a double-blind experiment is. A double-blind study is when neither the test subjects nor the researchers know who is receiving a treatment or a placebo. So the correct answer here is choice C. The study would be a double-blind study if both the researcher and the patient did not know which patient received the real drug or a placebo. And those are your answers.